to leave this place now. And yeah, my plan is to go to a buffet. I'm going to eat lunch buffet at the Star Casino. Yeah, $65. I think it's okay, so I'll be able to, yeah, there are different selections, so I can choose the food that I want to eat. Yeah, it's a little expensive, but yeah, sometimes we need to experience like something that we like, you know. And we are now here at the car park, Wilson Car Park. And coming here is very exhilarating. A lot of wrong turns. Yeah, I've been to Sydney Harbour Bridge and then to Anzac Bridge. Yeah. Yeah, very confusing. I mean, yeah, the navigation. It's just me. I'm confused. Other people, for sure, they will easily get understand the, you know, the direction, but a lot of people for sure will be like me, confused with the instruction direction. But at the moment I am here, yeah, beautiful view. But where I am going is actually at the Star Hotel Casino. I'm going to have a lunch over there. And it's beautiful down here. There are shops, restaurant over that side. I think offices and residential. Yeah. And there are a lot of expensive yacht in here. I will show you. Those. That car park said it's $32 or maybe $38. Yeah, all day. I don't know if they have different, rules. Because sometimes you need to book that to pay that 38 all day. Yeah, there are some ifs and ifs. I cannot park at the Star Casino because the parking there is just 2 meters. I need 2.1 at least meters to be able to get inside the car park. And you know, most of the car park, I mean a lot of car parks here, yeah, they are just 1.8. Yeah, basically just good for the regular car, not for a van like my one. My van is 1.9 meters height, but it has roof ventilation, so yeah, at least 2.1 what I need. This is already the Hotel Star Casino, but we're going to the Harvest Buffet. I don't know where's that area, maybe further side. I don't know, I forgot the name of this, but this is Bauban. I don't know what is this. This yeah, calamari. And this is the second set of my meal. I made this porridge, and there is this crackers, seafood rice, noodles, chicken, salmon, and Indian rice. You know, I really want to eat more of this congee, but yeah, I need to try another thing, because you know, this congee is like a Filipino arroz caldo. And this is the last one. Yeah, there is this miso soup, crepe, marshmallow, chocolate, and I don't know, I forgot. So these are the like a cheese section with the breads, different breads, and toaster, two soups, two kind of soup. There is coffee machine on that side. There is a crepe here. Yeah, and different cakes. There is this fountain, chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate. All these different kinds of cakes. So they have this seafood section. This is Italian section. So different pasta. There is arancini. There is also this pizza and this cold cuts. This one is Indian section. Yeah, there is rice and curry. Fish curry, vegetable curry. Honey glazed ham. Different sauces. Highlands lamb. Roast potato. Sauteed vegetable. Tune salmon. And there is this chips. Calamari. Mussel. Chicken. And this area is the Japanese area section. There are different noodles, rice, and dumplings, dim sum, bauban, spring rolls. Sometimes it gets really busy, so they have this kind of hallway, yeah, to control the people. Yeah, I'm back again. Yeah, actually coming from my van. Yeah, I stayed there, I sleep because after having my buffet, I actually feel bad. Yeah, very full, very bloated, and the feeling is not good. Yeah, I always have this bad feeling whenever I eat a lot of food. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it always happens. I mean, it is normal. Like I need to vomit. Yeah, I vomit along the way coming from your restaurant all the way to my the bun. Yeah, that's the way to release the the too much air and food inside. Also went to the toilet, not because I have stomach pain or I have the feeling of going to the toilet, but because I want to remove some of the food that is inside my body. Yeah. And yeah, whenever I what do you call that? Barf, something like that. Yeah, I feel good. Yeah, and then I sleep, and yeah, now I'm fully recovered. Because there is a time limit in the buffet. 2 hours. I thought 2 hours is enough to eat all those food. It's not about the food is bad over there, but they are delicious, and yeah, there's nothing bad about the food. It's just something bad about the capacity of my body. It is actually very windy at the moment. Yeah, I don't know if this video is going to be noisy. If it is noisy, windy, it's bad. Oh, there's a ferry over there, and look at this. Yeah, you maybe are wondering what is the purpose of this one. Yeah, of this thing, this orange thing. Judging by the look of it, I think this is to measure the depth or the if it is high tide or low tide. I think that's the purpose of that. It's okay, I'm ready for that. There is a swimming area in here. Yeah, it's like this. Good thing this one is not stagnant. There's one scooter. Yeah. I'm a smart bin. I use the sun to squash your rubbish and fit 5 times more in. This is a restaurant, and they are setting up now for dinner service. This area, there is no wind, no strong wind, so yeah, vlogging is good, so the audio is going to be good. Yeah, compare over that side. Yeah, very noisy. The wind. I have been so many times over that side, but yeah, this is going to be very first time in this area walking. Yeah, I was not expecting that this actually all the way access to that unsacked bridge. I don't know how much more. Yeah, because it's already really far. And this boardwalk is actually possible to go all the way to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Amazing. It's good to run, jogging, or just walking. We reached this unsacked bridge, and yeah, looks like that one is under the Anzac Bridge. It looks like another bridge. Yeah, that is rotatable. I'm not sure if it is rotatable. It is now 5:23 and yeah, the sun is going to set over there. Don't walk like that. They also have an exercise area here. I am now being lazy to go over there in the casino area, the Star Casino area. Yeah, so yeah, we're going back. I'm going back to the van and we'll be leaving this place. I don't know where I'm going next. Maybe I'm going home now. Yeah, tomorrow my duty is actually still at 2 o'clock. So I still have time. And in case you want to come in this area, the name of the park is Pirama Park. And this is the Pirama Road. Yeah, there is a car park here managed by Wilson. And it's yeah, $32. Yeah, whole day. All day parking. And night parking is $22. Online prepaid. Yeah. Oh yeah, the name of Jones Bay Warp Car Park. And find another love. And it is I had last night. And now I know what I'm feeling. That make me come alive. I never get it up, never get it up, never get it up of you.